Welcome back everyone. This week's video we're going to do something different. As I've been sitting here working on the ambulance, I've been doing side projects for my parents here on the property. Some things they can't do, some things they can. A little help's always nice. And long-term plans, while I'm saving money for gas and everything else before I take off, I want to get some of these projects done for them around here that they'd like to have done. One of those is a greenhouse, and well, in this video we got an option to go get some parts from a greenhouse a little ways away, so we're gonna go see what all they're giving away for free and see what we can bring back. So as we travel down the road, I remember how much I love to travel, going from point A to point B, getting rid of the itchy feet that I get. As we're traveling, I am not driving. My father is driving, which is fun because I get to look around, take cool photos of everything going around. It's really pretty here. It has its own beauty, even though there is no mountains. I've been seeing these schoolie-inspired motorhomes around, and I just find it fascinating that it looks like they came into existence because of schoolie conversions.
Exit now.
That's our exit. It's 479 here, or 484. 369. Not no $5 yet. Yeah, I'm always looking at diesel. It shouldn't be that much higher than gas, though. It makes no sense. Look at big dogs there.
Oh,
yeah,
doggy yard, huh?
Dog park. That's the one that's advertising. I thought was kind of interesting.
That's pretty cool.
Yeah, you don't normally see those at stops.
So to his left, right?
Right.
Oh, right.
Right.
If you need
Well, we got to our location, and this is a gorgeous backyard view. They weren't actually giving out a greenhouse, but they were getting rid of some pots and some other various items that we've decided to go ahead and take with us. We're here getting some garden supplies from Mom's future greenhouse, and we're checking it out, and I'm watching and looking at it. They have a hoop barn. It's a round barn, but instead of a traditional barn, they layered it on the, wide edge of the lumber all the way around to make the hoops in here. And then they have this really cool big cable going from here to this side, and that's a turnbuckle cable to pull the ends in to keep it from sagging.
Full time doing the pecan grove, so we don't have turtle rock anymore.
Well, what's the Airbnb called?
It's on the website, and on the Airbnb website is Farm Hermitage, I think.
Hermitage?
In Red Rock, Oklahoma.
Red Rock Farm? Or,
Yeah.
okay.
My sister Pat, she rents out her house. She gets an Airbnb.
Oh, that's cool. Hey, puppy. The last time I was out here, I really wished I got it recording because it was so cool of a living space.
This really held up. It really holds up good, doesn't it?
Yeah, it's 10 years old now. And there's the box that shows the straw bale. Yeah, it's really, I don't think it's other,
Is there wire in it?
No, there's no wire.
What makes a little divots? Just fingerprints?
Yep.
Did you build it?
Mm-hmm. Oh yeah, we built this. Here's the book. We had a guy who got it under a roof, and then we had a workshop with 25 people, and they were here for a week. And this is their pictures of what they did. And by the time they left, this wall had one coat on it. That wall on the outside had one coat. And so it took us about a year, because this has 3 coats all the way around.
Wow.
And then the outside has 3 coats. And the outside, we had to have more workshops and have people, because you had to do one whole side at a time because it wouldn't blend its slime.
Oh, yeah.
So it was quite a project.
So you make the frame, 2 by 12 or something frame?
Is that the dirt frame?
Yeah, it's...
Or is that just to run the cement?
Yeah, there's the cement, and then, but you'll see as you go that it does have a frame on it.
Okay, so it's kind of like an open thing, and then you just fill it in with the straw.
Yeah, yeah.
You gotta learn all the tricks and stuff.
And this had like a composting toilet or something?
It does have a composting toilet, yeah.
Alpaca.
So the straw bale's on the inside, so you have to make it big enough to make.
Yeah, these walls are 18 inches thick.
So the walls though would be the outer out, and this is on the inside.
Yeah, well, yeah.
Did you see that?
Oh, the
Four
The
support
outer-
beam.
Yeah, the wall beam
Probably as you
four
turn the
before
page, you'll see.
are, and here's the where they put the straw bales. It's got gravel and stuff.
Might give it better better support and better insulation.
So it still has cement here, I think. Or
Yeah, looks like getting.
probably cement out here, even with that, and then they put the floorboards.
Mm.
So you rented a lot?
Yeah, I think I had in February, I think I had it rented 14 days.
Really?
Oh, wow.
Uh-huh.
Wow.
So I, I've got plenty of other things to do, so I'm not, sometimes, like I go out of town to see my grandkids, I'll just block it off. Because I don't want to have to worry about it while I'm gone.
Well, they clean it up with the saw.
Chainsaw.
Chainsaw. Mm.
Get it level, I guess.
Yeah, a couple came from North Carolina. They're
And they put
Ones that
support
the
there.
knew what they were doing. The rest of us were learning.
Making the mud, I guess, here.
Yeah, actually
Yeah.
the clay came from right out front here, and then we had a big thing, and it's all made of clay, straw, water, and sand.
Oh, yeah.
So, and each layer has a different mixture.
And you just daub it on the straw.
Huh.
Just
Yeah,
pound it
well,
on.
sometimes you do it with a trowel, sometimes you do it with your hands. The first layer you do with the hands, the last layer you do with the trowel. The first layer is kind of,
Is this stucco then you put on?
No, that's lime plaster. And we did it the same way with our hands.
And that's what's on here?
On the outside.
On the
On
outside.
out, yeah.
Do they
Yeah.
keep the moisture out of it?
Yeah, right, exactly. You gotta have
So both sides have to be plastered with the lime stuff.
Well, the inside doesn't have lime.
Oh, okay.
The outside has lime.
That's really cool.
The inside's just mud. I mean, on the inside, if you left the windows open, these walls would melt.
Oh. But you could have done it on the inside?
Yeah, but you wouldn't want to. You wouldn't be
Probably not.
reason to.
Made a little hole in there.
Mm-hmm.
I'm gonna cut this off so you don't
Okay.
feel like you're on camera the whole time. You just kind of want to record a little bit and see it. So
Yeah.
check it out on Airbnb, and it's what is it?
I think it's, let me look. Farm Straw Bale Hermitage.
Farm Straw Bale Hermitage.
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 Yeah.
Really cool straw bale house.
Interesting. Look at that brick one fell apart.
Looks cool. I need to get a different camera so I can zoom in on some of this
Acre.
stuff.